Up, guys? It's March 25th, 2024. Talk about the E-mini. Looks like it was a pretty challenging day. Limit order market for most of the day. Leg one, leg two move. Three. All right. Here we are. So, talk about the first six bars. This is, first six bars, leg one, leg two. And we're on the market cycle. I didn't trade this today. I was at my 9 to 5. I'm only trading 3 times a week right now, but it really got me thinking how crazy trading is. Like, what we're really trying to do is like like read this to make serious amounts of money. That's so sick. Because now I'm hanging around people with 9 to 5s. I'm looking at these guys grinding out overtime. I'm like, oh my god, I forgot what it was like. Like, it's just making it that much more painful. The 9 to 5 itself is easy, but the way I have to get the 9 to 5 is making it painful. Because I'm practically smoked. So yeah, I'm smoked. Going for another live account. I think I'll get it pretty soon. I do want to get it before the 1 day passes up, so we'll see. Maybe this week, hopefully, fingers crossed. But anyways, let's talk about the price action. Gap down, bar one, no continuation. Bar two, it looks like a double top, bear flag. So bar, it always cracks me up when those go crooked because I think my hand is straight and it's just so crooked. So yeah, bar one could be the first. So we're breaking out of yesterday's low. This was yesterday's low here. Yeah, that is yesterday's low, right? What is going on? These fibs are wrong. Hold on. Hold on. Excuse me. 32, 14 seconds. That confused me a little bit. That's the right way. I put them on today's day. It should be on yesterday's day. Okay, now we're breaking out yesterday's low. That's all I was like, what the hell? We're breaking out yesterday's low. Bar one is a bull bar, not good for the bears. It could be a first pullback. Bars two and three look like a second leg, so leg one, two. Second leg trap. Bears failed to hit the measured move. Starts to reverse. We have a failed breakout here and a failed breakout here. This failed breakout's below bar one, so I think that's an important thing to remember. Bulls make a leg up, pull back leg two into the EMA, and then it goes sideways. That's just tragedy. I was at work watching this and I was feeling for you guys. I was like, man, I hope they're scalping or sitting out. This is a tough one today. So yeah, there's that leg one, leg two, leg three move. Market just goes sideways. It touches the higher time frame EMA, and the bulls actually don't break above it. So that is something to think about. The bulls do try and close above yesterday's low here and fail, and then that's when the bears get their 2 legs down. I guess today's gonna be a quick video. I mean, I'll go over this price action real quick, but it's a limit order market, so like going on two, big down, big up move, market's going sideways. EMAs are starting to stack on each other, so that's also a representation of sideways price action. And then look at these bars, range bar, overlap, nothing's breaking out. Breakout, failed here, failed. And I'm talking about breakout above the EMA failed, breakout below the EMA failed. You know what I'm saying? Like here's a failed breakout, here's a failed breakout. Very slow. That's okay. Even though today was slow, the market cycle repeats itself. So eventually we will get a breakout and we'll get some volatility. So it's okay. The trick is how do we avoid this is barbed wire. How do we avoid that, or how do we limit order scalp this? Because I was looking at this at work and I was like, I'd get crushed. I don't At some point in time I would get frustrated and then I would size up. So I don't know. That's why I'm taking a break trading 5 days a week, because I just need to recalibrate. I just want to breathe a little bit. Ooh, I actually haven't felt normal in a long time because I've been getting slaughtered this year. You guys would know, and all my losses are starting to pop up now because they're printing. I'm catching up with my since I'm not trading. I'm having the videos are catching up quicker. So yeah, pretty interesting to see uh comments and stuff about me losing, which no one's really tripping over. I thought they would, but that's nice to know. That's also the truth. I want you. I can't like if I didn't post those losses, then what would I be saying? I couldn't even talk like this because I'd have to be covering up like I'm winning. No, I'm fucking losing. Oh my! I gotta stop swearing. I keep swearing, but I don't get it. How come where's this you can't swear on YouTube rule? I just keep seeing it. I keep hearing about it. I've just never seen it. Because rappers put rap songs and swear. I'm not a rapper, but I have been known to listen to rap music. I just took a sip of wine if you guys are sipping wine. Man, how cool would it be if there was like a flash thing that said sip now? Sip now. Okay, back to the price action. You guys are like, this guy gonna. Alright, so yeah, sideways market, double bottom, triple bottom, double top, goes for a breakout. Very hard to leg count because it's a lot of opposite bars. I think this would be better to wait for 2 bar follow through. So like 2 strong bars. Here's 2 strong bars. That's a tough short after all this. I mean, look at this start 31 looks like a good short. If this is a good short, that looks like a good short. But there's way more bullish pressure, and we did fail to break above here, so context is a little bit different. That equals a leg 1, leg 2 move. Let me just measure these 2 leg moves here. Here's one. You can, I guess we can pull a little lower. That's almost met. Oh, let me make it. It's met to the tick, not really to the tick. Tick +1. Then we have a bear leg here. That looks like it was met too. Yeah, we can go to the top here and that's met, or we can pull it from there and that's met. And also, bears failed to close below, make the measure move, and this kind of looks like a higher low double bottom almost. What does that look like here? So we went sideways last time we were extending. We went sideways and then went up, sideways and then went up. So like the market's going sideways right now. How many legs is this on the 45-minute chart? Every time the bulls have attempted to cross the 45-minute chart, it's the 22nd. It failed. Wait, what did I just say? Bulls have tried to cross the 40. Every time the bulls have tried to cross the 45-minute EMA, they have failed. Here they failed, but now it kind of looks like a higher low. So we'll see if they still fail or something, or we go sideways, if anything. Kind of best to remember, like we have to go sideways before we break out. That's part of the market cycle. Where are we in the market cycle? This is a range. So if we're range bound, that's the end of the market cycle. Market cycle is breakout, channel. First pullback is a channel. No, first pullback starts the channel. Breakout, first pullback starts the channel, and then the market channels, and then it goes range bound, and then eventually it'll start testing breakout points. That's the market cycle, and here it looks like we're ending whatever market cycle we're ending now. It's coming to an end because we're going range bound. So, and when I say ending, that doesn't mean it's like it's a bearish, like since we were bullish here, doesn't mean it's bullish market cycle is ending. It means like it's just ending. Like it's the end. It's like from a most literal standpoint, like breakout, channel, 3 legs, and then it ends at the range. Right, so it could still break out bullish here. It can go like that, or it can go like that. I just literally means like the market cycle is ending. Yeah, it's ending. So now we reset, breakout. Hope that made sense. I get worried sometimes that if I don't keep talking about the same thing, someone will pick up the video in the wrong place and then lose money and freak out. Should be trading. Hope you guys are trading. Sim money or funded money or something. Study, guys. Use your stop loss. I'm rambling now. Today was a quick one. The price action was kind of lousy, but it is important to learn how to either avoid it. It's a tight trading rate, so it is good to avoid it or limit order scalp it. Tough one. It's a tough day, I think, for sure. So I hope you guys didn't get wrecked. Hope you guys caught at least the first and second, either this leg here or that leg there, or maybe even scalp. Hope you guys are doing good. Pretty excited to trade tomorrow. What's today now? I traded today. So you guys will know how I did tomorrow. I'm starting to get used to you guys seeing this a day later. Hope you guys are doing good. I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you for your support and always watching these videos. Have a good one, guys. Bye.